are having this ratio B ka question number 1, 2. Very simple question. Naide kudasai we have to use. Okay, who will tell me all the forms quickly? Naide kudasai, na kereba narimasen, na kutemo ides. Just raise your hands quickly. Let me check how much we have keeping in our mind. These three forms, naide kudasai, na kereba narimasen, and na kutemo ides. Please quickly raise your hands, everyone. क्या बात है, सिर्फ 4 बच्चे? Okay, count धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है. Out of 147, only 7 students can tell me what are the use of these forms. Okay, only 7 students. Wonderful. Seriously, only 7 students? Am I teaching only 7 students out of 148 students? And they are my regular, like usual students, those who perform in the class and those who try to answer in the class. चलो, एक बच्चे ने और थोड़ा सा मुझे खुश करने की कोशिश किया, उसने भी हैंड रेज किया है. 9 स्टूडेंट्स. समीर, अनु, अलमेडा, गरिमा, कुणाल, उर्वशी गुसैन, ईशानी चटर्जी, मोहम्मद शान, इशिता एंड शिवांग दुबे. सो इन सब बच्चों को ही मैं पढ़ाती हूँ और इन सब बच्चों ने हैंड रेज किया हुआ है. ठीक है, लेट मी फाइंड आउट फ्यू बाय माई सेल्फ आउट ऑफ 139 स्टूडेंट्स, or sorry 148 students. Let me check who can answer me. Chavi Bharti. Chavi is not in class, it seems like. Rajan Sharma. Rajan Sharma. Again, no answer. Ishita Agarwal. Abhi I'm just calling the names I can see on my screen. Ishita Agarwal.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is this?
Ma'am, Khushbu. Ma'am, today I can't do answer because, ma'am, I am outside for some important work. But I'm listening you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bacha. Ishita Agarwal. No answer. Abhijay Jain. बहुत बढ़िया. तो आप लोगों ने मुझे इतना भी नहीं बता सकते कि हमने 3 फॉर्म्स लास्ट क्लास में पढ़ी थी, उनका यूज क्या है. आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग द यूजेस. Where to apply and why to apply these 3 forms. कोई भी आंसर नहीं करना है, किसी को भी नहीं करना है.
May I answer?
Who is this? You have to tell me your name first. Abhigyan. No, Abhigyan. I haven't called your name.
Oh, okay.
कोई भी आंसर नहीं करना इनमें से किसने. भावना. Yes, Bhavna.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
So, ma'am, we learned 3 forms. Number 1 is Naide Kudasai, which is when we request in the negative form.
Lovely.
And the second one is Na Kereba Narimasin, which is when there is a compulsion and you have to do it.
Wonderful.
And the third one is Na Kutemo Idis, where it is not compulsory and it is fine if you don't want to do it.
Okay, non-compulsion form. Thank you so much, Bhavna.
Thank you.
Thank you, beta. And thanks for those who tried to answer, who raised their hand to attempt the question. But guys, the names I took in the class, Chavi, Rajan and Ishita Agarwal and a few more. Guys, please try to answer in the class. Ishita, are you there in the class, bacha? Ishita Agarwal? No, she's not there, I think. Chalo, let's begin with the class now. So if you can see on your screen, coming back to my Rensho B, मेरे को थोड़ा सा sheets को adjust करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे हो गया है. So I'm starting up with question number 1 and 2. Rensho B, question number 1 and 2. Kokoni jitensha o okanai de kudasai. Okanai de kudasai. Okay, so you cannot drop your bicycle here. आप अपनी bicycle यहाँ नहीं रोक सकते हैं या stand नहीं कर सकते हैं. So let's go for this. We are having a car. The person is, you have to find out the verb. He is clicking the photograph and he is playing. So kokoni, kokoni, kokode, kokode. You have to frame the question. बहुत ही simple question है. It's a cake walk question. You have to apply naide kudasai form. ठीक है? Go for it and start raising your hands. I'm giving you 3 minutes to attempt this question. Shayan, Ishani and Alvin, I request you please lower down your hands quickly. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, Ishani.
Gave this to us as homework.
I gave it for homework?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Thank you so much, Ishani. ठीक है, guys. Those who have attempted this question, please raise your hands. जिन्होंने किया है, raise your hands, please. Same students. ठीक है. बहुत लकी हैं आप लोग, क्लास ऑफलाइन नहीं हो रही है, वरना तो अब तक आप आधी क्लास के बाहर खड़ी होती. Yes, Paritosh, I'm starting up with you. First one.
Yes, ma'am. Great. So, ma'am, koko ni kuruma o tomenai de kudasai.
Lovely. Koko ni kuruma o tomenai de kudasai. Please do
Yes,
not park your car here. Thank you so much, Paritosh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next is Abhigyan.
Koko ni hairanai de kudasai.
Koko ni hairanai de kudasai. Lovely answer, Abhigyan. Hairimasu to enter. So you can please do not enter in this that room. So koko ni hairanai de kudasai. Lovely. Third one is for Ishita Sharma.
Ma'am, koko de shashin o toranai de kudasai.
Lovely. Koko de shashin o toranai de kudasai. And last one is for Samir.
Yes, ma'am. Koko de asobanai de kudasai.
Beautiful. Koko de asobanai de kudasai. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's go for this question number 2. Ishani, was it question number 2 was also there in the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, bacha. Kin en is non-smoking zone. I must have told you the meaning of this. Kin en des kara tabako o suvanai de kudasai. It's a not smoking zone. Please do not smoke here. Now let me check who all are there with the answers. Okay, Ishani, Ishita, Anu. Okay. ठीक है, अभी तक सिर्फ 7 students are there. So I'm starting up with Hera. Yes, Hera.
Oshinai de kudasai.
Once again, bacha, we missed your voice.
Abunai des kara oshinai de kudasai.
Abunai deskara, oshinai de kudasai. This Oshimasen. Yes, who's this?
Ma'am Paritosh. Shall I try? Yeah. So, ma'am, I think it should be osanai de kudasai. So,
Yeah.
abunai desu kara osanai de kudasai.
Yes, Hera, it's osanai de kudasai. जो आप बोल रहे हैं ना, that is oshiemasu, to teach.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
ठीक है, so it's osanai de kudasai. I just want to confirm, do I pronounce your name correctly?
Yes, ma'am. It's Hera. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, fine, thank you. Okay, Thank you, Paritosh and Hira, for this answer. Abunai desu kara osanai de kudasai. Now, next one is for Janvi.
Yes, ma'am. Daichu yobu desu kara shinpai shinaite kudasai.
If you don't mind, could you please repeat the answer once again?
Ma'am, daichu yobu desu kara shinpai shinaite kudasai.
It's daijobu. Once again.
Daijobu.
Yes, daijobu. Daijobu we use for it's fine. Okay. Suppose I asked let's say I asked Kunal, I asked Paritosh ki guys, I'm not able to record the session today. Could you please record it? So and I said thanks in the return. So he was like daijobu this sensei. Daijobu this, it's completely fine. ठीक है, it's completely fine. वो हर सेंस में यूज किया जा सकता है दाइजोबु दिस. So दाइजोबु दिस करा as it's fine. Shinpai shinai de kudasai. Thank you so much, Janvi. Next one is for Mitok. Mitok? Okay, I think Mitok is not around. Pema. Yes, Pema.
大切な資料ですからなくしないでください。
No, not exactly. You tried, but make it correct now. 大切な資料ですからなくします. What would be the nai form? Would you like to try again, Pema?
Sorry, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Almeida.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Taisetsu na shiroi desu kara nakunai de kudasai.
नहीं, आपने भी गड़बड़ किया. चलो, Antara, would you like to correct them?
Ma'am, I'm also doubtful. I also did nakushinai. I did.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I try?
No, Paritosh, hold on. Parmeet Singh. Once again. Naku. Thank you so much, Parmeet. Can we have your answer once again, a little louder? Nakusanai. She is there. Sa, she, su, say so. She will come to sa. Naku hanashimasu. Hanasanai. If you remember.
Yes.
ठीक है. So nakusanai de kudasai. ठीक है, Antara?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Yeah. Now next one is Toshukan no Hondis Nanimo Kakimasen, and for this I want to call Meher Bhatnagar here, please. Meher, you have to be a little louder, Meher, please.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is Toshukan no hon desu kara nani mo kaka naide kudasai.
Lovely. Toshukan no hon desu kara, as it's a library's book, please do not write anything on it. Nani mo kaka naide kudasai. Thank you so much. Now, Ishani, agla question kaun sa tha homework ka?
Ma'am, I think only these two were there.
These two were there. Okay, now let's go for this question number 3. Thank you so much, Ishani. Hyaku uchi e kairimasu. Hyaku uchi e kairana kereba narimasen. Hyaku, early. Uchi is house. Kairimasu, to return home. So you have to return home early. ठीक है? It's like आपसे पूछ नहीं रहे हैं, आपको बता रहे हैं कि आपको टाइम से जल्दी से घर पहुंचना है. So mainichi kanji o mutsu. Hitotsu, futatsu, mitsu, yotsu. याद आ रहा है? Itsutsu mutsu, mutsu 6. Oboimas, oboimas is to learn, याद करना. ठीक है. नराइमास और ओबोइमास में अंतर होता है, आपको मैं बता चुकी हूँ. दोबारा से हल्का सा क्लिन दे रही हूँ इस चीज का. नराइमास व्हेन यू आर लर्निंग समथिंग, सीखना जिसको हम कहते हैं. ठीक है. जैसे हम हिंदी में सीखना और याद करना कहते हैं. सो नराइमास इज टू लर्न, सीखना. ओबोइमास इज टू मेमोराइज, याद करना. Okay, so mutsu oboimas, passapoto o misemas. Misemas is to show, not mimas, it's misemas. Now shakusho e gai kokojin toruku ni ikimasu. Have to go to city hall for the foreign registration. Doyobi madini hon o kaeshimasu. You have to return the book by Saturday. Now let's go for this quickly. 3 minutes and raise your hands. एंड आपको इतना समझ में आ गया होगा कि जो क्वेश्चंस एक्चुअली टारगेट करते हैं आपके मेन टॉपिक को, मैं सिर्फ वो क्लास में डिस्कस करती हूँ. तो जो डिस्कस करती हूँ उसको सीरियसली लिया कीजिए प्लीज. ठीक है. आई रिक्वेस्ट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू लोअर डाउन योर हैंड्स सो दैट आई कैन फाइंड आउट द पीपल दोज आर विलिंग टू गिव आंसर हियर. और अगर किसी को डाउट होता है तो वो भी मैं देख पाती हूँ ना. सो आफ्टर 3 minutes स्टार्ट रेजिंग, आफ्टर 2 minutes स्टार्ट रेजिंग योर हैंड्स.
Ma'am, I had a question.
Yes, Amir.
Ma'am, what's the difference between Narimasen and Ikimasen in this particular pattern?
नारीमास इज टू बिकम. यहाँ पे पैटर्न में नारीमासन.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like you can use Narimasen and Ikimasen for these patterns, right?
No, Samir. Na kiriba narimasan is a complete one pattern which we have to add with a verb. Are you getting
Okay,
it?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
चलो एक काम करते हैं, अभी क्वेश्चन डिस्कस होता है ना. सो टेक अ लुक, ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द क्वेश्चन यू आर हैविंग. अगर नहीं होता देन आई विल आंसर वंस अगेन. ठीक है?
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So stay here. I'm going to start up with Ishita Sharma, please.
Ma'am, for the first one, it will be Mainichi kanji o mutsu oboe na kereba narimasen.
Lovely. Mainichi kanji o mutsu oboe na kereba narimasen. These are the verbs given. Narimasen is also a verb. ठीक है? So first verb has to follow the pattern. Oboe na kereba narimasen. Thank you so much, Ishita, for the lovely answer. Next one is for Urvashi here.
Passapoto o misena kereba narimasen.
Passapoto o misena kereba narimasen. Thank you so much. Next one is for Shivang.
Yes, ma'am. Shiyakusho e gaikokujin toruku ni ikena kereba narimasen.
Lovely. इकेमास की फॉर्म है इकेना केरेबा नारीमासेन. ठीक है, ये ग्रुप 2 एक्सेप्शन में आता है मीमास एंड इकीमास. सो इकेना केरेबा नारीमासेन. फोर्थ वन इज फॉर Shayan.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
so
can you please repeat that? Yeah, it's Paritosh, ma'am. Just wanted to clarify that the conversion for ikimas will be ikemas, right?
Ikimas. I will go to E. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. So, ma'am, what was the conversion again? It won't be ika, right? It'll be it's an exception.
If you remember, Paritosh, when I taught you this group of verbs, so I mentioned ikimas and mimas as exception, right? If you remember, these are the exceptions.
Right, ma'am. Yes.
Right. So ikimas and mimas will go for group 2 verbs. So ikimas will go to ikemas.
Okay. I understand.
I will go to E, ikemas.
Okay, I understand. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, fourth one is for Shayan. Yes, Shayan.
Yes, ma'am. Doyobi madeni hon o kaisa na kereba narimasen.
Kaisa na kereba narimasen. Doyobi madeni hon o kaisa na kereba narimasen. Thank you so much, Shayan. Let's go for next question.
Ma'am, I had a doubt. What does Toroku mean?
Toroku, Gaikokujin Toroku is complete. We use it for municipal office basically. Okay. Gaikokujin and Toroku we use for foreign registration. Sorry, foreign registration.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Now let's go for another question, and my next target of the question is question number 6. Question number 6 में we are having 2 patterns. ठीक है, मैं चाहती क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 भी करना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन मैं सोच रही हूँ पहले क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 पे टारगेट करते हैं. योजिगारिमास देका के मासेन. योजिगारिमास कारा देका ना केरेबा नारीमासेन. As I have some important task, I cannot go out or I'll not go out. Warui byokija arimasen shinpai shimasen. Warui byokija arimasen kara shinpai shinakute mo ii desu. ठीक है, so in this question we have to find out what is the right pattern, or I think let's go for question number 5 first. Confuse हो जाओगे आप लोग. Let's go for question number 5 first. 4 नहीं कर रही हूँ. For question number 5, nakute mo ides, non-compulsion form. Takushi o yoba nakute mo ides. It's fine if we don't call the taxi. Kyo wa shokuji o tsukurimasen. Tsukurimasen is to make. Shokuji meal. ठीक है, shokuji is meal. Tsukurimasen don't cook. Ashtawa byoin a kimasen. Byoin hospital. Kimasen no need to come. No need to come or not to come. Kasa is umbrella. Motte mochimas to carry. Ikimasen. Koko de kutsu o nugimas. Nugimas to remove. ठीक है, so let's go for this question. इसको करते ही आपको एक question समझ में आ जाएगा. Let's go for this question number 5 quickly and start raising your hands.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I had a doubt.
Yes, Ishita.
Ma'am, actually, when we were doing naide form, we wrote ika naide. So I thought the nai form for ikimas was ika nai. But right now, when we did ike na kereba, it became ike. I'm just a bit confused here. Shouldn't it be ika na kereba?
It's ike na kereba narimasen. ठीक है, it's ike na kereba narimasen. And यहाँ पर भी जो इकीमासेन यूज हो रहा है, इसमें भी आपको इके ही लगाना है. एक बार मैं थोड़ा सा खुद मैं भी कंफ्यूज हो गई हूँ. मैं एक चेक करके बताती हूँ. जस्ट गिव मी 2 मिनट्स. तब तक आप लोग बाकी क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट कीजिए. ठीक है, जस्ट गिव मी 2 मिनट्स. मैं भी कंफ्यूज.
थैंक यू मैम.
ओके बेटा. Yeah, Ashita, thank you so much. Guys, it's not ikemas. मैंने गलत बता दिया. It's something else. It's ikana kereba narimasen. It's not ike, it's ika. I got confused and it's ika. I'm apologizing for that. Ikana kereba narimasen. Ika nai de kudasai. Ikana kutemo ides. Ika nai.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you, Ashita.
Yeah, actually, even you didn't even tell us like in the group 2 verbs when you gave it to us initially.
Yes.
You hadn't mentioned it, yeah.
Yeah. It
Thank
was
you,
my
ma'am.
mistake. Actually, we do have ikemas verb, but not this one. We have another one. I'm so sorry for that.
Ma'am, I had a question about part number 3.
Yes, Samir.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, इसमें won't we skip the ikimasen verb? Won't we just like negate the motte verb?
No. We have to target ikimasen.
Ma'am, it would make more sense to like just directly negate motte. Because like if you're not, we're talking about carrying an item, right?
Yes.
So rather than saying that you don't have to travel while carrying the item, we would rather say you don't have to carry the item at all.
No. Actually, we have this term, Samir, motte ikimas, motte kimas, like the way to take something along. ठीक है, लेकर जाना, लेकर आना. So to take something along के लिए we use this motte ikimas, motte kimas.
Okay, ma'am.
जैसे to bring and to take it with you is motte ikimas, लेकर जाना, and motte kimas, लेकर आना. जैसे मैंने कहा क्लास में कि if you're coming to attend the class, please come with your notebooks or please come with your notes. That is motte kimas, लेकर आना. Okay, so I can see 13 students here, and let me start up with Garima Chandar.
Yes, ma'am. Kyo wa shokuji o tsukara nakute ii desu.
Tsukara nakute ii desu. Kyo wa shokuji o tsukara nakute ii desu. Thank you so much, Garima. Thanks. Next one is Marmik Chauhan, please.
Ashita wa byoin e konakute ii desu.
Beautiful. Ashita wa byoin e konakute ii desu. Kimas ki nai form is konai. Konakute ii desu. Next one is for Sam Daniel.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Very little, bacha. You have to be a little louder.
Kasa wo mote ikana kote moi desu ka.
Okay, mo ii desu ka or mo ii desu, both can go. Kasa o motte ikana kote mo ii desu. Motte ikana kote mo ii desu ka. Okay, thank you so much. Now, fourth one is for Anu Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. Koko de kutsu o nuka na kutemo ii desu ka.
Koko de kutsu o nuga na kutemo ii desu ka, nuga na kutemo ii desu. ठीक है, both can go. Now, question number 6 is about na kereba narimasen and na kutemo ii desu. Option number 1 says netsu ga arimasu, byoin e ikimasu. ठीक है, आपको ये खुद फाइंड आउट करना है इसमें कौन सा फॉर्म लगाना है. First of all, lower down your hands, everyone. Second one, kaisha no hito wa eigo ga wakarimasen. Kaisha no hito, company employees. Eigo ga wakarimasen. Don't understand English. Nihongo de hanashimasu. Ashita wa yasumi desu. Hyaku okimasen. Okimasu to wake up. Amari atsukunai desu. Eakon o tsukurimasen. Sorry, not tsukurimasu. Tsukemasen. Eakon is AC. Tsukemasu is to switch on. Amari, not very. Atsukunai, it's not very hot. Okay? So find out the right pattern and frame the sentence. Raise your hands.
Ma'am.
Yes, who's this?
Ma'am Ishani.
Yes, Ishani.
Ma'am, so I wanted to ask if we can frame it as a requesting question.
It's all up to you. You just have to use these patterns in your sentence.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I can see 8 students so far in my list. So let's start up with same students always. Chalo.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shreya.
Ma'am, a question regarding the hiragana writing part है ma'am.
तो अभी इस क्वेश्चन के बाद श्रेया.
ठीक है ma'am, sure
Let me
ma'am.
attempt this one. ठीक है? Thank you, beta. Rishi, would you like to give answer here? Rishi, would you like to give answer? No. ठीक है. Starting up with कम से कम अनम्यूट करके yes और no बोल दिया करो बच्चा, वही बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. कुणाल जायसवाल प्लीज.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, he wrote the answer. So, Netsuga arimasu kara, byoin e ikana kereba narimasen.
Ikana kereba narimasen. Netsu is fever. So, Netsuga arimasu kara, as I have fever, byoin or as you have fever, byoin e ikana kereba. And you have to visit the hospital. Second one is for yes, Ishani. Second one.
Okay. So kaisha no hito wa eigo ga wakarimasen kara nihongo de hanasukute mo ii desu ka?
Ma'am.
थोड़ा सा Ishani, think about it.
Hanasakute?
No, you have to frame proper sentence यहाँ पे ना Ishani. आप कैसे आप सेंटेंस जो आपने फ्रेम किया है आपने क्या फ्रेम किया है पता है कि they are not able to understand Japanese, so will it be fine if I speak in Japanese? ठीक है, but not exactly.
So it will be hana kereba narimasen.
Not hana kereba narimasen, it's hanasana kereba narimasen.
Hanasa, yes.
ठीक है? Yeah, they cannot understand English, so you have to speak in Japanese. Okay, now let's go for third one. Let's go for third one. And for that, I would like to call here Satya Prakash, please. Satya Prakash. Okay. Alvin, take over the third one.
Third one, ma'am. Okay. Ashita wa yasumi desu kara hayaku okina kotemo ii desu.
Okina kutemo ii desu. Thank you so much, Alvin. Okimasu comes in group 2 exception. So hyaku okina kutemo ii desu. Last one is for
Hello, ma'am.
yes, Satya Prakash.
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Now you are audible. Go for fourth
Ma'am,
one.
I was unable to unmute it.
कोई problem नहीं. चलो, go for fourth one.
Okay, so fourth one is Koko de Kutsu wo Nugana kute mo ii desu ka?
ये कौन सा है? आपने question number 5 का option number 4 बोला है. We are doing question number 6 right now. You have to go for question number 6 का option number 4.
अच्छा, I'm sorry, ma'am.
No problem.
उसका वाला कर लिया.
इसका नहीं किया?
नहीं, I did up to 2. I didn't know 3. And fourth, I think उसका वाला ही कर दिया.
Okay, चलो कोई बात.
Sorry.
कोई problem नहीं. Let me ask someone else then. ठीक है, fine. Okay, I would like to call now. Abhigyan, close the question, please.
あまり暑くないですからエアコンをつけなくてもいいです。
あまり暑くないですからエアコンをつけなくてもいいです。つけなくてもいいです。It's not very hot. It's fine if you don't switch on the AC. ठीक है? Aircon we use for AC. Yes, Bacha.
Ma'am, yes, it's Paritosh here. I just wanted to confirm a small trick that my friends used to use, like for places where we had to choose between using na kutemo ides and na kereba narimasen. It would usually work with the ending verb which we would have to convert. So, like for example, if we want to convert okimasen, verbs ending with masen would go to mo ides, while the ones which end with mas will be converted to na kereba narimasen. Do you think that's a valid strategy to use?
No. It's nothing like that. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, Paritosh. It's
because
just
majority.
Yes, it depends on the situation what we're talking about.
Okay, so like majority of the times, like when we used to solve this in previously, then we used to just look at the ending verb and convert it according to that.
See, so, I never observed such thing. If I would have, I must have shared with you as well. मैं ये tricks हमेशा आपसे share करती ही हूँ. मैंने ऐसा observe नहीं किया. परितोष अगर मैं देखूंगी एक बार, अगर ऐसा लगा तो definitely let you know. But जितना मैंने अभी तक समझा है परितोष, जितना समझा पाई हूँ, it's just that depends on situation. Like if whenever you're going to talk about any compulsion form. So right, we abhi bhi, like in general conversation when we speak to Japanese people, no, so in confirm like in compulsion form we always use na kereba narimasen. It's nothing to go with negative form of verb. And na kutemo ides, it could go with the masen form or mas form, any one of it. That depends on situation कि आप verb आप किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. That's it.
Okay, ma'am. I understand. Okay.
चलो, but आपने जो observe किया इसको मैं एक बार follow up करके देखती हूँ. अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ then I'll let you know for sure.
Sure, ma'am. That'll be great. Thank you.
Ma'am, I had a doubt.
Yes, who is this?
I'm Shivang.
Yes, Shivang.
Ma'am, ना केरेबा नरिमासिन का मतलब तो negative
हाँ
है ना? या is it used for both?
नहीं, ना केरेबा नरिमासिन ये मैंने आपको पहली क्लास में बताया था शिवांग, जब मैंने आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया था ये पैटर्न लास्ट क्लास में आईकिस में जब ये कराया था, तो मैंने आपको बोला था कि इट्स ऑलवेज साउंड्स लाइक दैट यू आर आस्किंग फॉर समथिंग नॉट टू डू. ठीक है, वर्ब की नेगेटिव फॉर्म आप यूज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये अपने आप में एक ऐसा पैटर्न है जो कंपल्शन फॉर्म में है एंड साउंडिंग लाइक नेगेटिव फॉर्म. तो ये थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी पैटर्न है जो आपको ध्यान में रखना है.
मैम, सो अगर क्वेश्चन 6 का फर्स्ट जो ऑप्शन था, फर्स्ट पार्ट था नेत्सुगारी मस्कारा बियोइने इकेना केरेबा नारिमासेन, so wouldn't it mean कि since you have a fever, don't go to the hospital?
No. Netsugarimasu kara byou ne ikanakereba narimasen. You have to visit the hospital. Compulsion form है. बुखार है हॉस्पिटल मत जाओ. How could it possible, शिवांग?
मैम यही तो पूछा कि नारीमासेन मतलब जाना है कि नहीं जाना.
कंपल्शन फॉर्म नारीमासेन अकेला यूज नहीं हो रहा है. ना केरेबा नारीमासेन यूज हो रहा है. ठीक है.
ओके.
यहाँ से
मैम
ये
अगर इस सेंटेंस को कन्वर्ट करना होता कि डोंट गो, तो कैसे करते?
इसको
तो वहाँ पर आप यूज
हिंदी
करते
में
हैं कि
ट्रांसलेट करो.
इकिमासेन, नेत्सुगारिमासेन करा ब्योइने इकिमासेन. दैट्स इट. तब वहाँ पे तो पैटर्न आता ही नहीं ना.
ओके मैम गॉट इट.
चलो. Okay guys. Yes, who's that now?
Ma'am Ishani. Ma'am, just one thing. Like, ma'am, in the first semester, you told us to relate Japanese with our mother tongue or regional language, Hindi especially. So, ma'am, I was going through the sentences while revising. So, na keriba narimasen, literally in Hindi we can say nahi karne se nahi chalega. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yeah, it's nahi karne se nahi chalega. It's compulsion form, na, that you have to do it.
Yes, ma'am. So in that way, it's easier to understand. Otherwise, narimasen, if we say, it's like कि don't do this. So
नहीं आप लोग सिर्फ नारीमासन को फोकस कर रहे हैं. नारीमासन is not complete compulsion form जब तक उसके साथ ना कुतेमो ना केरेबा ना लगे. ठीक है. ना केरेबा को भी ध्यान दो. आप लोग सिर्फ नारीमास का क्या मतलब है? टू बिकम. ठीक है. नारीमास इज टू बिकम. नारीमास एंड नॉट टू बिकम, वो एक डिफरेंट अपने आप में अलग वर्ब है. उसका इस पैटर्न से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. ये जो नारीमास है ये अकेला नहीं है. ये अगर आप सिर्फ नारीमास यूज करते हैं तो वो बिकम हो जाएगा. नेत्सुगारिमास कारा ब्योइन ए इकिमास नारीमासेन. सेंस ही नहीं बनता वर्ब का. ठीक है. तो आपको यहाँ पर जो वर्ब है वो तब, ये आपका नारीमासेन जो है वो कंप्लीट तब है, पैटर्न में तब कन्वर्ट हो रहा है जब आप ना केरेबा नारीमासेन लगा रहे हैं. जैसे कि शानी ने बोला कि नहीं करके नहीं चलेगा. इट्स लाइक कंपल्शन फॉर्म कि आपको ऑप्शन नहीं दिया जा रहा है. यू हैव टू डू इट. तबीयत खराब है, हॉस्पिटल जाना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज ना केरेबा नारीमासेन. नारीमासेन अपने आप में एक अलग वर्ब है. दान दान सामुए देस्कारा Kuroku narimasu. It's getting as it's getting colder day by day, so it's getting dark as well. So it's becoming darker. ठीक है. मौसम ठंडा जब होने लगता है तो रात को शाम को जो अंधेरा होता है वो जल्दी हो जाता है. That is narimasen. Ima tenki wa dan dan samuku narimasu. Tenki is weather. Dan dan धीरे धीरे gradually. Samuku narimasu, it's getting colder day by day. It's getting hotter day by day. Becoming. ठीक है. जो दिन है, जो मौसम है वो धीरे धीरे ठंडा होता जा रहा है. इट्स बिकमिंग कोल्डर. उस नारीमास का अलग पैटर्न, वो अलग यूज है. ये नारीमास और नारीमासन अलग पैटर्न है. Am I clear so far?
Yes, ma'am. Thanks.
For everyone, Shivang?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
It's clear. If it's clear, so in next class I'm going to discuss this question number 7 with you. नेक्स्ट क्लास में क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में आप डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ. ठीक है. और इसके साथ साथ में जो हमारे मोंदाई के जितने भी क्वेश्चंस बचे हुए हैं, दे ऑल आर आई एम गोइंग टू कंप्लीट दिस चैप्टर इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. सो ये क्वेश्चन रेंशो बी का ये वाला क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 प्लस मोंदाई का क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 एंड 6 आप लोग पढ़ के आइएगा. 5 करके आना है, 6 पढ़ के आना है. ये मैं क्लास में डिस्कस करूंगी. ठीक है. नाउ शिवांग, can we have your question here quickly?
Yes, ma'am.